Hi, I'm Mev from Papershift, and today I'll show you how you can plan your tours with the help of your tour guides. As you know and as you are aware, many tour guides are freelancers that will tell you beforehand how they are able to work and what kind of tours they'll be able to take over. With Papershift, that planning will be much easier, and I'll show you how. For that, we'll jump straight into the account. As you can see, I have already created a few tours here. So we've got the Best of London in English and the Best of London in German. We also got Camden Market here. What I have done is I have assigned who can do which tours in the background already, because not everyone speaks German. So that's why it's important that we just put this into the system in the background. Next thing that I've done is I've already added a few employees. Not everyone is working full-time, of course, so I've put them down as 20 hours and have allocated them to the tours the way they've applied. We can see here now that we have got one tour that is still left to fill, which is here on that Tuesday. For that, what we'll do is we'll click into the shift and send an application link to all our available employees. So what will happen is the employees will get an email and can apply for that shift directly in our Papershift Plan app. How that looks like, or what that looks like, I'll show you straight on my phone. So for that, we'll take a look. As you can see, I've got the Plan app open already. Here we can see in green, highlighted in green, the tours that I'm already taking over, and the other ones in the team calendar, they're already filled up, but I don't need to apply for them. The one that is still open is this one here for Tuesday the 21st, Best of London in English. It's red. I need a person. What I'll do is I'll apply for it. I'm free. I'll hold it and click here at the top, apply. And that's all I have to do as an employee. So what that looks like now for you as an admin in your account and what to do with that application, I'll show you now. So we'll look back into the Papershift account and just do a quick refresh. And as you might have noticed now, on that that Tuesday shift, we have now got a blue dot. So we can see if you hover over it, it's Tom that's applied. To allocate Tom to that tour, we'll click right onto the shift. Select Tom, again, we've got that blue dot here. He'll jump into the assigned shift and we'll click on Done and Notify. So Tom will get a notification, an email to say, okay, you have been accepted for that shift. And within the Plan app, the shift will turn green as well. Another thing that will happen is, especially if you are working with freelancers, that employees might have a short notice, they've got doctor's appointments or they're off sick, and how that fits within your planning, I'll show you now. Well, click here. What I've already done is I have created an absence for Sarah. Sarah wants to take a holiday on that Monday. It's currently in orange. We'll click on it, we'll have a look. There's no one else that has booked a holiday, so what I can do is I'm just going to say, oh, okay, no problem. I'll confirm it. And if we go back into the shift plan, you can see that for that Monday, Sarah has been taken out of that shift automatically. You've got the red dot here, the red one, to say that there's one absence. And now it's the same as what we've had for that Tuesday. It's important that we click on the shift, we send an application link, and the staff members can apply to the shift again. That's it from me, showing you how to plan your tour guides. If you are looking into planning them yourself, do get back in touch with us. I'll be happy to show you how you can do that. Take care. Bye.